Gram flour, besan, is a primary ingredient for pakoras, providing the batter base. Sliced onions and thinly sliced potatoes add texture and flavor to pakoras. Chopped green chilies and cilantro contribute to the pakora's spicy and fresh flavors. Carom seeds, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and cumin seeds provide essential seasoning. Water is added to the dry ingredients to create the pakora batter. Oil is required for deep frying the pakoras to achieve a crispy texture. Gram flour, also known as besan, is measured in cups for culinary applications. Accurate measurement of gram flour ensures the correct batter consistency. 2 cups of gram flour are required for this recipe. The measured gram flour is added to a mixing bowl. Salt is added to the gram flour to enhance the overall flavor profile. Red chili powder introduces a spicy element to the mixture. Turmeric powder contributes color and a subtle earthy flavor. Cumin and carom seeds provide aromatic and digestive benefits. Thorough mixing of dry ingredients ensures even flavor distribution throughout the final product. Even distribution of ingredients is crucial for consistent taste and texture in cooking. Dry ingredients, such as gram, flour, and spices, should be combined before adding wet components. The mixing process involves physically blending different dry components to achieve homogeneity. Proper mixing prevents clumping and ensures that each portion contains the intended flavor profile. Mixing dry ingredients is a fundamental step in many recipes to guarantee consistent results. Gradual addition of water to a dry mixture is essential for proper blending. Continuous stirring during water addition prevents the formation of lumps. Adding water little by little ensures a uniform consistency throughout the mixture. Controlled water addition allows for better hydration and integration of dry ingredients. The technique of slow water addition and stirring is crucial for achieving a smooth, lump-free final product. Continuous stirring is essential for achieving a smooth batter consistency. The batter should be stirred until it becomes slightly thick. A properly mixed batter will coat the back of a spoon. The batter's consistency is tested by observing how it adheres to a spoon. The ideal batter should not run off the spoon too quickly, indicating proper thickness. Achieving the correct batter consistency is crucial for the final product. Onions must be sliced evenly to ensure uniform cooking within the batter. The addition of sliced onions enhances the flavor profile of the batter-based dish. Proper distribution of sliced onions in the batter ensures consistent taste throughout the cooked product. Slicing onions before adding them to the batter facilitates even incorporation and prevents clumping. The quantity of sliced onions added to the batter should be carefully measured to achieve the desired flavor balance. Incorporating sliced onions into batter introduces moisture and contributes to the overall texture of the final product. Thinly sliced potatoes are added to the batter. Slicing potatoes thinly ensures thorough cooking during frying. Uniform slice thickness is crucial for even cooking. The ideal potato slice should be thin and consistent. Green chilies, hari mirch, are added to the batter to enhance flavor. The quantity of green chilies can be adjusted based on the desired level of spiciness. Chopped green chilies are preferred for even distribution of flavor throughout the batter. The addition of green chilies introduces capsaicin, which provides a spicy sensation. Green chilies contribute both heat and a fresh, vegetal flavor profile to the dish. Chopped cilantro is added to the pakora batter. Cilantro enhances the flavor profile of pakoras. Fresh cilantro provides a refreshing taste to pakoras. 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro are recommended for the batter. The addition of cilantro contributes to the overall sensory experience of eating pakoras. Cilantro, also known as haradanya, is a key ingredient. The process involves incorporating various vegetables into a batter mixture. Onions, potatoes, green chilies, and cilantro are the vegetables to be mixed into the batter. Ensure all vegetables are thoroughly coated in batter during the mixing process. Proper mixing ensures a uniform distribution of vegetables throughout the batter. Heat oil in a kadai, or deep frying pan, over medium heat. The oil should be hot enough for frying but not smoking. Medium heat ensures even cooking and prevents burning. Using the correct oil temperature is crucial for optimal frying results. Small portions of pakora mixture are dropped into hot oil for frying. The pakora mixture should be carefully added to the hot oil to ensure even cooking. Overcrowding the kadai should be avoided to maintain optimal oil temperature and prevent uneven cooking. Using a spoon or hand allows for controlled and consistent portioning of the pakora mixture. Careful placement of the pakora mixture in the hot oil minimizes splashing and ensures safety. Pakora should be fried until they achieve a golden brown color on all sides. Consistent turning ensures even cooking and prevents burning. Optimal oil temperature is crucial for achieving the desired texture and color. Overcrowding the pan can lower the oil temperature and lead to uneven cooking. Fried pakoras are removed from the hot oil using a slotted spoon. The pakoras are then placed on a plate lined with paper towels. Paper towels absorb excess oil from the freshly fried pakoras. Draining excess oil helps to reduce the overall fat content of the pakoras. This process ensures the pakoras are less greasy and more palatable. Proper draining is essential for achieving the desired texture and taste. Hot pakoras are traditionally served with ketchup or tamarind chutney. The combination of crispy pakoras and flavorful chutney creates a balanced taste experience. These condiments complement the pakoras, enhancing their overall flavor profile. Enjoying pakoras with chutney is a popular culinary tradition.